I said, I hope you're looking, but look here. I said, bet me. I actually won't scam, but yeah. From him. It's from him, okay? It's from him, as you can see. Trading stuff on my base. Yeah, bro. As you can see, it's you. And I want something. I want to trade, I want your black hole goat. Actually, I want that chicken tailor, bijigger tailor, okay? I actually have, you can choose whatever, but not yet. You can choose my 8 more, whatever. Yep. Oh no, okay, let me show you. Also, I just want to see your base because I want to know, how much is that, what's the game? That chicken tailor. Because I might take that. Okay, can I tell you what okay, I'll just choose, okay? So let me go in my server and show you what I have, okay? So as you can see, first, wait, I have a job. I have a La Cucaracha, diamond, wait. Sorry, I'm not going to zoom in. So as you can see, I got La Cucaracha, Doodle, Semini. Then next I got that, and next and that karkar, the taco and the yeah. Then I also got this, which is my last brain. I'm kind of full, which is the digital keyboard 1.9. So just bring me. My name is capital T. Then no capital after that. After one, and I look like this, okay? So just add me. I'll just accept it, okay?